So today was the first day of the National Conference on Local Democratic Governance in India, looking back and going forward. We had the inauguration session inaugurated by Sri Sunil Kumar, IAS, Principal Secretary of Ministry of Panchayati Raj, and along with him were other dignitaries like Uma Mahadevan, Principal Secretary of Panchayati Raj from Karnataka, the ex-additional Chief Secretary of Kerala, and Additional Chief Secretary of the Panchayati Raj at New Delhi, SM Vijayanand, former Kerala's Finance Minister Thomas Isaac, and some others as well. The hall was really packed up with 260 plus participants who came from more than 11 states. The Gram Panchayat representatives, Gram Sabha representatives, NGOs, activists, media, academics, bureaucrats, researchers, students. It was really encouraging, and it was a very proud moment for us all. The inauguration session discussed mostly about the context in which this conference has been set up. The context actually is about 30 years of Panchayati Raj, more than 25 years of PESA, and more than 15 years of FRA, which together we think forms the whole of local democracy, essentially meaning governing locally and governing democratically. After the inaugural session, we had the lunch. We had some 7 stalls set up by civil society organizations who are committed to the work on local democracy with their materials, mostly capacity building materials. And after the lunch, we had 3 parallel sessions, in one of which was about elected women's representatives, one of which was about the experience of the panchayat associations, and also 2 academic sessions, one discussing the social and political impact of local democracy in India, the other discussing 30 years of Panchayati Raj and what do we take out from there. Many of the discussions were so intense that the time actually went out of our timekeeping arrangements, and we slipped through the time. There were enough questions and answers in every session. There are more than a dozen people asked questions, and very interesting and very exciting to hear the passionate experience and struggles of these elected representatives, particularly women, who, overcoming many odds, have become the Sarpanch or the Mukhya, as it's called in various states, and have been able to do their work well. Some of them are national award winners, which is given by Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Some of them are probably will be the future national award winners. We had very intense academic sessions in which the impact of local democracy in terms of the permanence of elections, basically dispersing the political power across the board, of having reservations from women, reservations from Dalits and Adivasis, and also representation of the marginalized people at local level through the Gram Sabha process, through the development planning process. Lots of things were discussed, and in the last academic sessions we were talking about conceptual questions about what did we really learn from the 30 years experience of Panchayati Raj, how much the state has done, how much the potential that has been created has been utilized by civil society, and in particular the communities that it is talking about. It was very enriching experience with all the sorts of questions and answers, very effective participation, I would say, from all sorts of participants. We are very proud today that we were able to organize this with almost 8 months of preparation, bringing people from Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and even in Himachal Pradesh. We wish we could bring more. There are infrastructural limitations here in Ranchi. Ranchi has been also a very new experience for us. The Azim Premji Foundation is deeply committed in working in Jharkhand in the areas of health, local democracy and education in particular, and we have been supporting the Jharkhand government in many such efforts, and we will continue to do so. So there was a special reason to do this in Ranchi for us, since we are also going to have a new university campus over next 2 years, and I personally felt very satisfied over the overall proceedings of today.